Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to be teaching you guys how to avoid vaginal tear. Number one, when looking for your partner, look for a one with small head. I'm joking. Look for a partner with small head though. Okay, on a serious note, irrespective of your partner's head, this is what you can do to avoid vaginal tear. You know the drill. Have sex regularly. Have sex so that that place will be open. That place will be open. Have sex regularly. Let your partner pound it. Please, if you are watching this video and you are with your child, kindly move your child away. Have sex regularly so that place will be wide and open. And after sex, or when you are beating, or when you finish urinating, or when you finish pooping, you don't be you're already pregnant, something entered there to make you pregnant. What are you scared of? Chook your hand and wash there. In that process, that place will be open. When you finish giving birth, it will close back. It will be closed back. So that moment you are preparing for your birth, you are preparing so that you will not have vaginal tear. So when you are washing your vagina, chook your hand where you get massage, open. I'm not that you should chook your hand to your cervix, open your cervix. At least your vaginal walls will be flexible. So when the head is coming out, it can, you understand now, it will be elastic. So you don't need to, it will not be dry for you to cause that tear. I hope you're getting me. It will not be dry for it to cause that tear. So when you are washing your vagina, chook your hand, wash it well. In that process, you are massaging it, you are making it elastic, you are making it have room for more expansion. You're making it have room for more expansion. So you wash it. This thing helps. My two births, I had no tear. And I'm telling you what I did. It can work for you. If it don't work for you, that means you did not do it well, or the message is not for you. And I'm sorry for that. I apologize in advance for that. But this work, I will not tell you what I've given birth to two children. I will not tell you what did not work for me. This, I'm talking about my experience. What I teach you guys on my channel is from my experience. If I've not experienced it, you will not tell me that you that have not given birth, you have not experienced. What are you not teaching people? I've experienced it. This is what I did. So I'm telling you guys, I'm not stingy with information. I'm not stingy with tricks. You understand? So I'm teaching you guys what I did. So you do it like that occasionally. And again, when you want to give birth, see, remember, be conscious when it's time to push. Be conscious. You hear? As I said, when it's time to push, be conscious. See, despite the pain, like, ready your mind. Let your mind be ready despite the pain. Be conscious. When the nurse or the doctor tells you, open your leg, see, open the leg like the gates of heaven. Open like wide it, because if you are closing your leg, that it's paining me. You go, you're gonna have vaginal tear. Sorry. Open it. Let the word see. If the baby is coming, the baby will be looking at the word like this, coming out straight. Your vagina will be open, open. And tell your nurse, your nurse or your doctor, you should put enough oil. In Nigeria, we use olive oil. I don't know about other states, other countries. I mean, In Nigeria, we use olive oil. Put the olive oil, that olive oil, that oil will help lubricate the area more. If your nurse, your doctor, or your midwife is a good, they know the drill. They know the drill. They know the drill. To tell them to put it to lubricate, and you yourself, you help yourself by opening your leg wide. Don't allow them to be beating you. Open your leg, open your leg, open your leg. Be cautious. That's why I said go and watch my previous video. I posted a video on how to induce labor. I said you should pray. So when you are praying, you pray for strength. You pray for strength. This journey is not easy. So I'm making it easy for you people. And God will make it easy. I'm giving you guys the knowledge to make it easy. Point of correction. I'm not God. I'm just giving you guys the knowledge. So what you have to pray is, God, give me the strength to instill that knowledge that day, to work with the knowledge I have that day. God, 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 your God you are serving, whether you are Christian, whether you're a Muslim or any other religion, your God you are serving, that's who will help you. You pray to God to give you that strength to remember, or give you that memory to remember all that I'm teaching you right now that day. Open your leg, like wide it, spread it, so that, because your nurse or your doctor will not be focusing on you, telling you open your leg, and you get now, so that they can position the baby where coming out. When you have done the needful, you have opened your leg wide, despite the pain. I know it's painful, it's going to be painful. Despite the pain, have that consciousness that you have to open your leg. Trust me, if you have done all this, if you have done all this, did it correctly, you are not going to have vaginal tear. You're not going to have vaginal tear. Trust me on this. Trust me. This video is going to end here. Please, if this video was helpful to you, comment in the comment section on what you learned. Please, if you have any question to ask me about pregnancy, birth, and birth, ask me in my comment section and I will do a video about it. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, before you finish watching this video, kindly do subscribe to my channel, like this video, and share. Hit the notification bell so you'll be the first one to get notified whenever I post a new video. Thank you. God bless you. Please subscribe.